Alright YouTube, we're at another vacuum. This is at the Ocean, I think Ocean Shores car wash. We tried doing the automatic at the Shell, but it was broken. So let's see how this does. We'll start off by feeding money into this thing. I'm gonna use the turbo. Not sure how if you guys can't see that, it says $1.50. We're gonna insert $1. Okay, part of their thing is burnt. Okay, let's see if I can do this one-handed. Put the camera down real quick. Here's the car. It's very dirty, but we're not going to be using the automatic. We're not going to be using the wash itself because we still have. I already got it on camera a couple days ago, and we already. We're going to be traveling back to Tacoma in a couple days. Why don't you touch that? This thing is so loud. You have 1 minute left. We're gonna vacuum some of the dirt off. And this YouTube is vacuuming the dirt. God, I'm vacuuming the car. When you don't have water, you use a car wash, you vacuum the car. I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum it. Yeah, my shoes are full of sand, so I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum these out. I'm gonna end the video here, guys. That's it.